Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about the Google Pixel 3 Lite, which is going to be released in 2019. We are going to talk about its price, release date, news and new rumors. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. You are watching Advanced Unboxer, so let's get started. So far, the Pixel range has been exclusively high-end, but that might be all set to change as numerous leaks and rumors point to a Google Pixel 3 Lite joining the already available Google Pixel 3 and Google Pixel 3 XL. While nothing about the phone is known for sure yet, we have a good idea of what to expect as leaked images and specs list have painted a fairly complete picture. The rumor for the release date of Google Pixel Lite stated that a mid-range Pixel device was scheduled for launch during the first half of 2019. That's not very specific, but it's a window that makes sense. We are close to the end of 2018 now with no immediate sign of the Pixel 3 Lite, but equally Google is unlikely to launch it too late in 2019 or it could clash with the Pixel 4 range. So of course it's always possible that it could land alongside those phones as the Pixel 4 Lite. As for what the Pixel 3 Lite might cost, the only rumor there puts it at between $400 to $500. However, there is an outside chance that you won't be able to buy it, as an early report suggested that the phone was aimed primarily at emerging markets like India, but that report is old and didn't specifically say that the phone wouldn't get a global launch. With such a name attached to it, we would think it would probably be widely available. A number of leaked images showing the Pixel 3 Lite have now emerged, which show it alongside various other handsets. The Pixel 3 XL is bigger than the iPhone XS and around the same size as the iPhone XR. We also note that while there is no notch, there is a sizable bezel both above and below the screen. It's a design that leaves the Pixel 3 Lite looking a lot like the standard Pixel 3 from the front, while from the back it has two-tone color scheme like the rest of the Pixel 3 range. In this case, in two shades of white. It also has a rear fingerprint scanner. Another leaked images shows the Google Pixel 3 Lite next to the standard Google Pixel 3. They look similar, though the Pixel 3 Lite is possibly slightly bigger. There is no surprise, as according to an earlier leak which included both images and specs, the Pixel 3 Lite has a 5.56 inches of screen, which is slightly bigger than the 5.5 inches screen of Pixel 3. Though the Google Pixel 3 Lite apparently uses LCD rather than the OLED, it's also said to have a 1080 by 2280 resolution, a 444 ppi pixel density, and a plastic rather than a glass back. It's seemingly codenamed Sergo. While we would take these leaks with a pinch of salt, the photos all look convincing and all match up with one another, so there is a good chance this really is a Pixel 3 Lite that we are looking at. Google Pixel 3 Lite has just one camera lens on the back and one on the front. That's different from the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, which both have two front-facing cameras. However, the Pixel 3 Lite is rumored to pack the same great 12.2 MP lens on the rear as the rest of the range. The same source as those samples says that the phone has an 8 MP front-facing camera. This is likely the same lens as one of the selfie cameras on the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. The source doesn't say which lens the Pixel 3 Lite is lacking, but we would expect it will be a wide-angle selfie lens that's absent. However, there is more at play in photo quality and camera modes than just the lens. Google Pixel 3 Lite is sure to have a less powerful chipset than the rest of the range and therefore also a lower-end image signal processor. So don't be surprised if its camera isn't ultimately as capable as the snapper on the Pixel 3. That said, the same source had previously said that the camera on the Pixel 3 Lite would be just as good as on the rest of the Pixel range. So it's not clear whether they are just calling about the lens there or about the whole experience. As for the battery, there's 2915 mAh battery, which would make it exactly the same size as the one in the standard Google Pixel 3. We have only heard that size from one source, so we are less sure of it than some things. The earliest Pixel 3 Lite leaks pointed a Snapdragon 710 chipset, but more recent rumors talk of a slightly lower-end Snapdragon 670. These are both mid-range chipsets. We have also heard rumors of 4GB RAM, 32GB in internal storage, and unsurprisingly, given this is a Google device, so there is no microSD card slot. Of course, being a Pixel handset, this is sure to run Android 9 Pie, assuming Android 10 isn't out by the time this launches, and get day 1 updates to new versions of the operating system. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.